Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you a story, The Golden Bird. Once upon a time, there was a king who had a unique garden. In his garden, the trees bore golden apples. The gardener account all the number of apples in the garden every day and say it to the king next morning. One day the gardener found that each day one apple was missing, so he informed the king. The king was very furious and wanted to find out who was the thief. The gardener issued his eldest son as a body as to protect the apples. So the youngest son fell asleep under a tree, and next day again a apple was missing. The second son did the same, but the third and the youngest son found out that a golden bird was eating the apples. He managed to get a feather of it. That feather was worth a lot of money. So the king wanted to have that golden bird. So the eldest son of the gardener set out on a journey. On his way, a wise fox said him to stay in a shabby house rather than a rich home. He didn't care about what the fox said, and he stayed in the rich one, and with the partying and other things he forgot about his quest and he stayed there. So after a few days he didn't return, so the second son went and he did the same. When the third son went, he listened to the fox and he stayed in the shabby house. Next day he went, so the fox came to him again and said that it would help him to get the bird, but he should do exactly as the fox says. So the bird was inside a castle. He didn't listen to the fox's plan and he got caught. So to release him, the king asked him to get a golden horse. Once again he went to the kingdom, and he didn't follow the fox's plan and got caught while trying to steal the horse. The king this time asked him to bring a princess to him and he will give him the horse and the bird. He fell in love with the princess and he didn't want her to go. But still the fox wanted to help him. Even this time he didn't follow the fox's plan and got caught by the father of the princess. The king said that he could have his daughter if he could get rid of that hill. The fox helped him, and next day there was no hill. So he took the princess and went on. So he wanted to have all the three things. The fox set him a plan and he followed it, and he had all the three things. He was very happy and grateful to the fox. The fox asked him a favor, that is to kill him, but he didn't do. On his way back, he saved his brothers. So both the brothers became criminals and robbers. The brothers pushed the youngest one at the riverbed, and it was so steep that he couldn't climb back. They took the three things and returned to the kingdom and said that they earned this. So the fox helped the boy again, and he went to the king secretly and said about the scandal done by his brothers. The king had the two brothers punished, and the king gave him the princess horse and the bird. So after several years he became the king. So one day in his way into the woods he found the fox. So he decided to repay the fox and kill him. The fox thanked him. The fox turned into a human, and that human is none other than the lost brother of the princess. So that's it guys, thank you.